Hello, and a very warm welcome. If you're searching for an honest, in-depth Socialbee review combined with a complete step-by-step Socialbee tutorial, you've landed in the perfect place. Today we're diving deep into what I consider to be one of the absolute best social media management tools on the market. In fact, this very software has been the absolute backbone of my digital marketing workflow for going on 7 years now. We're going to look at how this AI-powered social media scheduler can help you create, schedule, and publish all of your content across every single one of your channels without you losing your mind. Before we crack on with the details, if you want to make sure you are always up to speed with the very best tech strategies to scale your business, do me a massive favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Here at AI Copywriting Tools, we're dedicated to helping you grow your business with the smartest marketing technology around, and we have got heaps of highly practical guides coming your way. So tap that notification bell as well, so you never miss a single update. Cheers for doing that. It genuinely helps the channel out. Right then, let us talk about how this video is going to work. In the first part, I am going to give you a transparent, hands-on review based on my years of daily experience using this platform to manage brand accounts and client profiles. After that, we will transition directly into a click-by-click dashboard walkthrough and tutorial of the main features, showing you exactly how to automate your content. If you are short on time and want to jump straight to the practical guide, do not worry at all. I have placed clear time chapters in the description down below so you can skip right to the tutorial whenever you like. Now, if you fancy trying this tool out for yourself, I have a fantastic opportunity for you. If you click the affiliate link in the description or the pinned comment below, you can sign up for a completely free 14-day trial. You do not even need to input a credit card to get started and test out the features. If you do decide to upgrade to a paid account later, they also offer a very reassuring 30-day money-back guarantee. Let us have a quick look at how the pricing shapes up, shall we? Like most software-as-a-service platforms, you get a decent discount if you pay yearly. But if we switch over to the monthly billing, the entry-level Bootstrap plan starts at around $29 a month. The mid-tier Accelerate plan is $49, and the Pro plan sits at $99 a month. Now, the brilliant thing here, and something you absolutely must know if you are looking for an AI social media scheduler, is that even on the cheapest $29 Bootstrap plan, you get unlimited AI content generation. That means whichever tier you choose, you can use their built-in AI tools to draft, schedule, and publish absolutely all of your social media posts. If you are running a larger business or managing multiple brands, they also offer agency plans. These are larger packages designed for companies with a lot of clients. On the entry-level agency plan, you get 10 separate workspaces. So, you could have one workspace for your own brand and 9 others dedicated to your clients, managing up to 50 social profiles in total across the entire account. That averages out to about 5 profiles per client workspace, which is usually plenty. And here is an excellent business tip for those looking to scale. You can essentially package this up and resell access to your clients. While it isn't fully white-labeled, unless you have a bespoke arrangement, you can charge your clients directly for a dedicated workspace. They pay you for the access, and in return, they get the software, your personal support, and any additional digital marketing services you want to wrap into the bundle. It is a fantastic little earner. Speaking of scaling, another feature I absolutely love is ConciergeBee. I will put my affiliate link for this service in the description as well. I have used their services myself in the past, and they are top-notch. It is incredibly affordable. Yet, the level of expertise they deliver is excellent. What I have done in the past, when I had more clients than actual hours in the day, was hire a ConciergeBee social media specialist. Instead of the massive headache of recruiting freelancers, interviewing them, and training them on how to use the software, I let their specialists handle the daily management. Their social media specialist service starts at around $129 a month. It was an absolute lifesaver. I outsourced 100% of the daily posting and community management to a pre-trained expert and simply collected the profit margin from my clients. So, whether you are a solo business owner looking to automate your own socials with the Bootstrap plan, or an agency owner looking to scale up using their software and concierge services, the platform is incredibly versatile. Right, that is enough of the review. Let us roll up our sleeves, log in, and dive into the dashboard for a proper tutorial. When you first log in, you are greeted with a clean, straightforward dashboard. Up at the top, you get a quick high-level overview of your account activity, followed by a list of your connected social media profiles. If you ever need to add a new account or disconnect an old one, you just click the Social Accounts button right here. Scrolling down, you will see how easy it is to link different platforms. For the vast majority of these platforms, the tool offers direct posting. This means you simply upload your media, write your caption, set the schedule, and it automatically pushes it live without you needing to do anything. However, for a couple of platforms, like X, formerly known as Twitter, direct posting can occasionally be a bit finicky due to API changes. For those, and for universal posting, they use a mobile notification system. You just download the app on your phone, and when it is time to post, you get a notification. With a couple of taps, you can copy the text and media directly into the official app and hit publish. It is a brilliant workaround, and the team is constantly updating things to make it smoother. You can also use universal posting to send content to places like Telegram, WhatsApp, Quora, or Mastodon. Moving over to the left-hand menu, we have got the quick add button to create a post on the fly and the social media copilot. The copilot is a rather clever in-depth feature, so I think I will save that for its own dedicated video tutorial in the future. Under Content, you have several brilliant features. First up is your hashtag collections. This is a massive time saver. You can save groups of hashtags you use regularly and paste them into your posts with a single click. You can also import content in bulk via a list of links. Upload a batch of media files all at once. What I typically do is design a batch of social media graphics in an external tool and then use the bulk import media feature. Once they are imported, they look like this, sitting neatly in your queue. Now, let us open up one of these posts to check out the editor. They updated their post editor very recently, and it is a massive improvement. Over on the left, you can select exactly which social profiles you want this specific post to go to. In the middle, you can toggle between the different platforms and customize the post for each one. For instance, Pinterest works a bit differently because it requires a board selection and a source URL. I can quickly cut and paste my link into the source URL box, add a clear title like AI Side Hustle Ideas for Everyone, and we are good to go. You can also add alt text for accessibility, or use their built-in image editor to flip, crop, or rotate your graphics on the fly. If we switch over to the Facebook tab, everything looks spot on and ready to go. LinkedIn looks great too, though the icon is occasionally a bit tricky to click on when they do updates. For my Google Business profile, I like to tweak things slightly. I will add a call to action button. Let us go with Learn More, and paste my destination link right there. Now, all 4 versions of this post are tailored, optimized, and ready to publish. I will just click Update Post to save those changes. You will notice a little red draft label on the post. This means it is currently on hold. To put it into active rotation, we just toggle the switch to Approved, and it is ready to be scheduled. To set up your posting times, let us head over to the Scheduler tab. There are a few different ways to look at your schedule. Personally, I find the Overview tab the easiest way to add new time slots. Today is Thursday, so let us select Thursday and click Add a time slot. I will deselect the profiles I do not want to post to and keep the correct ones checked. Then I will choose my category. Set the time to 15 CLI hours, which is 3 p.m. for those of us who prefer the standard 12-hour clock, and click Save. If you want a bird's-eye view of your entire queue, you can switch over to the Calendar view. This shows you exactly what is going out and when. You can also view your schedule as a list or a grid, but the calendar is definitely the best for visualizing your upcoming week. Right under the scheduler, we have the Next Posts tab. This is your go-to screen to see exactly what is lined up next. Since I only have one active time slot scheduled right now, it shows the post we just approved going out today. Next week at the exact same time, it will automatically pull the next approved post from that same category. This is how you can schedule weeks, or even months, of content in advance. You just fill up your categories with approved posts, and the queue system handles the rest. Now, let us create a brand new post from scratch, so I can show you just how powerful the built-in AI tools are. I will click Add a Post. Let us keep it simple, and just select my Facebook page for now. On the left side of the editor, you will see various text and media options. You can easily add emojis, or click on the AI assistant to help you write. Let us go to Generate Captions. I will select a witty tone of voice and type in a prompt. A quick, concise social media call-out to get people to watch my YouTube video on AI side hustles. I will tell it to generate some hashtags as well. Set the target length to about 60 words and hit Generate. The AI gives us 3 distinct variations. I quite like the first one, though I will edit out a quick sentence to make it sound more natural. It is always a good idea to put your own spin on AI-generated text, of course. Now, if I want to add some extra hashtags, I can click Generate Hashtags. Look at that. It has pulled a fantastic selection of relevant tags. If I want to save these for future posts, I can copy them. Scroll down to my hashtag collections, click Add Hashtag Collection, paste them in, and save it. Now I have a custom hashtag block, ready to use whenever I want. But what about the visual? Well, this tool can generate images too. I will click on the AI Image Generator, choose one of their suggested prompts that fits our theme, and ask it to generate 2 variations. Both of these look incredibly clean and professional. I will select this one to add to my post. Now, in just a couple of minutes, we have a fully completed post with an AI-written caption, relevant hashtags, and a custom AI-generated image. Before we save, you will see an option called Requeue after posting. If you turn this on, the software will place this post back at the bottom of your category queue once it publishes, so it can be shared again in the future. This is brilliant for evergreen content. If it is a one-off announcement, you just leave that turned off, and the post will be archived after it goes live. I will set this to Approved. Click Create Post, and there it is, sitting proudly in our queue and ready to launch. And that is a complete walkthrough of the core features of this incredible social media scheduler. It is a highly powerful, versatile platform that can truly transform how you manage your social media presence, saving you hours of manual work every single week. If you have any questions about the platform, or if you'd like me to do a deeper dive into the Social Media Copilot, or any other specific feature, do let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Don't forget, you can use the affiliate link in the description to secure your 14-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Copywriting Tools, and I'll see you in the very next video. Take care.